What's up, guys? We're off on a little bit of an adventure, going out to Rietvlei Nature Reserve today. See if we can't get some birds, maybe some kingfishers, and maybe the black-chested snake eagle. It's the first time I've been out since lockdown began. Actually before that even. The last trip I made was to Zimanga in February, at the end of February, so that was a bit of a road trip. This one's a little bit closer to home, just about half an hour's drive. The sun's just getting up, so maybe we're a bit late. Should have actually been at the nature reserve to catch the sunrise, but yeah, hopefully we get a good hour and a half of some golden light. So yeah, let's see what we can't see, and then hopefully get some good pictures as well. There's the boss. So not a bad morning out at Rietvlei. We saw the rhinos, the buffalo, quite a few nice birds, wattled lapwings, lots of stone chats, lots of Cape longclaws. I think I even saw an Amir falcon or Amur falcon. Can't pronounce the name properly. I just need to confirm it. I didn't bring my book out, so I'll confirm it once I'm home. Yeah, and also maybe a wryneck. I'll need to check that as well. But otherwise, a good morning on the whole. Spent about 2 hours in the nature reserve, and now I'm gonna head back home.